Hello, trading has closed on the 9th of January 2024. We always do our disclaimer, after which we'll go over our predictions and make some calls. Well, this is my trading plan for tomorrow, which is January 10th, 2024. Please trade at your own risk. I can be wrong. Look for the pattern with the early low. That's this. Tomorrow should also have the early low. Yesterday was a strong rally day. We made the case for the rally stopping right at yesterday's high. Look for lower prices. We had a target 47.30.43. I said it was far away, it might not print, but it did print, and it was within 8 cents of the low. So that's played out. These numbers aren't only targets, they're also support resistance areas, which doesn't mean support or resistance has to hold. In the morning, MEJT said ultimately higher price it would print. They did. We got a sell signal in the afternoon. Minimum printed immediately, but we certainly got more than that. And any rally, when there's a sell signal, is a false move. And that's played out too. We still have the resistance we showed yesterday. We hit a nominal new high, but closed under all these highs, even though the pattern is normally a bullish pattern. Now, time doesn't run out until tomorrow near the open. So if we gap and take this high out, it's a normal pattern. But if we don't, it's a weak pattern and should lead to lower prices. When you hit a new high, you want to keep going. You don't want to undercut all these prior highs. But again, we don't know how we're going to open tomorrow yet. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early low regardless of where we open. Today's normally bullish pattern didn't close near the high. Furthermore, we hit a new recovery high but closed under multiple prior highs. If maintained at the open, that's an if. It should lead to lower prices tomorrow regardless of where we close, and gapping and promptly overtaking the high a day kills the pattern. Now, this was the wave count we showed. I, for some reason, didn't count this A here. I said that was A, that's not right, so I've corrected it. So that's A and that's B, and that still works. If that's the wave count, and C equals A, we should get a wave C down. But wave A wasn't very deep. Wave C doesn't have to be very deep. And if that's the right count, there's nothing to stop us from recovering if we print lower prices first. So I don't like this action. I think we'll see lower prices if these highs hold at the open, but that doesn't mean we're going to close down. We have to see what the morning sequence has to say about that. So tomorrow has the early low, and that's today's call.